Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can draw a line, like for example, a straight or a curved line in your documents on Google Docs without any graphic designing or technical skills whatsoever. So drop a like and now let us get started. So head over to Google Docs, open a document, and let's assume you'd like to add a draw or line here. So left click or place the cursor here, for example. And what you will need to do, guys, is click on Insert here at the top, hover your mouse over Drawing, and here to the right select New. That is going to take you to the drawing tool here in Google Docs. So it is actually super simple, guys. To draw a line, simply click on that arrow down icon here next to that line and select your preferred line. Like for example, a straight line or an arrow or a curved connector, or draw a line by hand by using Scribble. So let me start with a completely straight line like that. Select line. After that, left click. Hold your left mouse and simply draw your line. Release the mouse just like that, or your left mouse, and that's basically it. Now if you'd like to add a curved line, simply click on that arrow down icon here again and select curve connector or curve, even better. And after that, simply repeat the same process. Left click, hold your left mouse, and then left click again, and then hold it, and so on and so forth to place these curves just like that, and add as many curves as you like. So we got a snake line like this here. So once you're done, simply click on Save and Close here in the top right corner to add the given figure or graph to your document. And that's basically it. Now in the final step, you may adjust the position and the size of your line just like that, or edit it here by clicking on that pencil icon below. And that's all to it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.